Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do in VS Code, after you've installed VS Code, is we're going to go ahead and open folder, and I'm going to just make a new folder, and my folder is going to be called homepage. Okay, I'm going to open that, and then we'll see that my folder, yes I trust you, we'll see that my homepage is now here. I'm going to click this button is new file, and I'm going to make index.html. And awesomely, I can hold Command and press I, and I can use Copilot. So I can ask Copilot, make me a basic homepage. Sign in. Continue. And it uses GitHub because that's where it reads things from. So I'm going to authorize it. I'm going to tell it to open, and now I have AI inside of my thing. It is loading. So I'm going to show you this first, and then we're going to do it manually. I think this will give you guys the best experience. So it is done. Now I tell it to make me a home page, you'll notice that it generated a whole website right here. So I'm just showing you that. I'm going to hit close. The other thing is I can actually modify this. I can highlight it and tell it to do more to it. And it's using ChatGPT 4, but I can tell it to use Gemini or 4.1 if I want to. Okay. So I'm just showing you that shortcut in case you want to use it later. Okay. So, what am I looking for? All right. So let's just go ahead and start writing some HTML. So with HTML, the first thing we always do is we have to have open bracket HTML, end bracket HTML. That tells the computer everything in between these two are a website. And I'm going to create a title, and my title is going to be Mr. Flowers Website. Okay, please notice this pattern of open, and then I have a /1 here to close it. Okay. And actually, I kind of want to make that my head, so I'm going to fix that. You'll go over what all of these do as we make these, okay? But we're just going to make a basic website for now. And let's go ahead and make our body. And H1, he is the best teacher, okay? And let's go ahead and let's go ahead and stop there for now. Okay, so I've made this, but I need to make sure to save it. So I can go up to here, File, Save As, or I can hit Command-Shift-S. You're going to see it save. I want to save it as index.html. It already exists. Replace it. Okay. Now, the next part of this, and give me a second to set up, is my GitHub. So you guys made a GitHub earlier with your username.github.io. I'm going to go ahead and add file. I'm going to upload a file. And I could drag it, but I'm just going to click to choose. Oops, homepage, upload my index.html, and commit changes. Now you'll see your index here, and that's basically it. And what I can do is basically the name of my folder now is a lovely website. Okay. So just to show that again, my GitHub repository is flower.lauscher.github.io. And if I remove all of this GitHub stuff here and just leave that, I can go to it. And this is my website. It's online. You can see it from your computer. I can see it from mine. This is obviously not the version I made with you. I made this version just a little bit ago, but it's something that we can view. Okay? So go ahead, upload. I am going to say your GitHub website takes a few minutes to update on the internet, so if you don't see it right away or if there's an error, please just wait a few minutes or come back in like 10 and it'll be there. So yeah, that's how we upload a website.